Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. Now continuing from where we left off yesterday in this data set. Sometimes you may want to separate your text into different segments. Say let's take for example now you want to separate the state abbreviation and the zip code away from the physical address. So there is a particular function today that I'm going to show you in Excel that you can use to separate your text without you needing to write formulas. So, but one thing for sure is that you have to be very sure that all the data in your data sets are consistently formatted. That is to say, in this case, you see 323 Langer Avenue, Los Angeles is comma separated from the state abbreviation and the zip code. And if you go through the remaining data set, you will see that the city is comma separated from the state abbreviation and the zip code. So if you have a data that is well formatted this way, then you can use that particular function. Then to do that, you come to data. Once you click data, then you click this text to column. Once you click text, first you need to highlight the data. After selecting it, then you go to data, then you click text to column. After clicking text to column, you see it asks you to choose the file type that best describe your data. You know what we want to do. We want to separate the text based on delimiter. So you click on delimiter, then next. So now you select the types of delimiter that you want to use in separating your text. But in this case, we want to first of all separate the state from the state and zip code from the city address. So we use comma. You select space. Now you will notice that the state abbreviation and the zip code has been pulled out from the physical address. Then you click next, then click next again, then click finish. Once you click finish, click OK. You see that the state abbreviation and the zip code has been pulled out from the physical address. Now for us to pull out the zip code from the state abbreviation, we perform the same function. You select it. After selecting it, click on data, click on text to column, then select delimiter. Then now what is separating the state abbreviation and the zip code is space. So we are going to use space as the delimiter now. Select space, click next, and click finish. Then OK. You now notice that both the state abbreviation and the zip code has been separated. So to copy them to their various cells, you highlight it and copy. Then you now paste Ctrl V, you now paste special, paste the value here, then press OK. Once you press OK, then you now delete, now clear this content. So now this is how to split data in Excel. Thanks for your time. Hope to see you next time.